So I got a box from Lucas. I'm gonna open it up. Pretty hyped actually. I'm on the little flow team, which is pretty stoked. He believes in me. Being an older skater, it's hard to get anybody to even do anything, but he believed in me and was stoked on my positivity. So I'm stoked for the clothing line. So I'm gonna open up my first box. If you don't know, you know. This. Alright, that's what we got in there. Fresh Enigmatic Designs logo shirt in white. So sick. Got Pebble Brown. Nice. Super hyped. And snapback hat. Pretty stoked. Thank you, Lucas. Freaking awesome. I got some gear. Now it's time to get some footage. Pretty stoked. Very hyped. Thank you again. Hook it up. Buy some. That's what I'm telling you. Alright, you sent me the new beanies. Yes. The vibes beanie. I'm stoked on that. Feeling the vibes. Thank you, Lucas. Awesome. Definitely pick yourself up one of these. Definitely worth it. Bam. So I blocked out the addresses because nobody needs to know where anybody lives, but my friend Shannon sent me a little package. And he's awesome because we go back and forth. He'll send me some, I'll send him some. So I owe him one now for this. So be prepared. Hold on one sec. Let's see what we got. Actually hyped because one of my favorite skaters is Ray Barbie. And he hooked me up with these killer stickers. So awesome. What? So rad. Can't see how the light's kind of terrible in here, but check that out. So sick. Thank you, Shannon. You rule. My favorite graphics of all time. Ray Barbie.